Hi there, diving right in with myth number 7. I can continue to ignore my carbon footprint because I'm reducing my reliance on single-use plastics and I'm regularly recycling my single-use glass. No, unfortunately not. The most direct way to having a positive impact on the environment through our day-to-day behaviors is to reduce our carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is a measure of the amount of carbon emissions in the atmosphere. Carbon emissions are responsible for the negative effects of climate change. There's no way around it. Not to mention the fact that the US is the largest emitter of carbon in the world, second only to China. We have obligations to reduce our emissions through the Paris Agreement. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, as an industry that relies on agriculture for its livelihood, you would think that this would be something that we would want to pay close attention to, especially given that it's impacting vintage after vintage after vintage. So what do? Packaging for wine is the segment in its life cycle that has the highest level of carbon emissions. So number 1, we look at the packaging. Number 2, we look at packaging types. Single-use glass, the highest emissions. Why? Its production process and its weight and transport. Bag-in-box, on the other hand, is the packaging type with the lowest carbon footprint by a mile. So if you want to have a direct impact in our industry today, you could switch to bag-in-box for your everyday consumption, because once it's in the glass, does it really matter? Okay, see you later, bye.